Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook volcano chicken noodle. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, 2 packs of instant ramen noodles, and for our fiery sauce, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 cloves of minced garlic to balance the heat. Now let's get cooking. Start by cutting your chicken into bite-sized pieces. Sauté these in a pan with a little oil until they're beautifully golden brown and fully cooked through. While your chicken is cooking, boil your ramen noodles according to the package instructions, aiming for a perfect al dente texture. Once done, drain them well and set them aside, ready for our delicious sauce. Here's where the volcano truly erupts. In a medium bowl, whisk together your 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and your 2 minced garlic cloves. To achieve the perfect consistency, add about 1/4 cup of water or chicken broth. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a smooth, vibrant, and incredibly aromatic sauce. It's time to bring it all together. Add your cooked chicken and the drained ramen noodles directly into the pan with our fiery volcano sauce. Toss everything gently but thoroughly, ensuring every piece of chicken and every strand of noodle is beautifully coated in that incredible flavor. Garnish with fresh chopped green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra flair. Serve immediately and prepare for a delicious, spicy adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.